It's lunchtime, guys and girls. Come over here on my day to here in San Roque, Legazpi City. We have here a malunggay viand and fried fishes. This is Helen, my niece, my mother, my nephews, and Helen's granddaughter, and my sister Christine over there. So come on, guys, let's eat.
Come on, let's eat.
Ge, ikaw na, Ge!
Over here.
Alagan, ano? Buhat mo na buhat. Buhat ka muna, ano? Pilain natin. Oh, pili pwede siya.
Ge, mana, Ge! Ako na.
Halika rito, Oy. Hugas ka na kamay doon.
Ako na, dali na. Ako ka na?
This is also Helen's grandson.
Paano plato mo duman?
Gusto mo gulay?
Magugas ka na kamay mo.
Kaya, sama na, sama.
Hugas ka mo ng ano?
Bye for now.